Hey y'all, it's Mary and this is Friday Night Gab, and I've got a lot to talk to y'all about, so let's get busy. I wanted to tell you about the Look Fantastic Advent Calendar. This will probably be the last time I talk about them. I did finally get an email stating that I was getting a refund and that in their goodwill, I could keep the calendar. So I'm not going to go on about that, but it wasn't because I was emailing them back and forth. And it's on their website. You have to go on their website to do the emailing. So I was asking for a manager, had asked for a manager. The first time I asked them for a refund was on the 14th of November. And they shipped out the package on the 21st of November. The paperwork says that. So they had plenty of time to cancel my order. I asked them 5 times to cancel. It's just a long story. I did ask to speak with a manager on several occasions. Who contacted me was because when you go into the Look Fantastic website to actually speak with them, you have to click on your order and then it references the order. So when I went in there one time, like after being upset for a few times, it said, review your order. So I did. And I guess I wasn't very pleasant. So that's how I got contacted. I got contacted by a manager that said because of my review, I was being refunded. So it wasn't because of, there are many, many emails back and forth asking to speak with someone, asking to get it worked out, telling them they could come and get the calendar. I didn't want it. I would take it if they gave me the proper mailing information that they would pay. I would have taken it to the post office or UPS or wherever. Anyway, so I do have the calendar. I did open it up because honestly, I felt like filming me driving over it. But I decided that wasn't the nicest thing to do. So I opened it up and I have a lot of things that will end up in different giveaways. So I'm only keeping a couple of items, but it was a decent calendar. I was missing. Day 10 had nothing in it. So I'm glad I didn't give it as a gift to someone. Okay, so that is the Look Fantastic story. It's really too bad that they wouldn't help me through customer service. So if you have any trouble with them, you'll know. You need to contact them and make a bad review. And you know me, y'all. I'm not ugly. I didn't, curse and scream and yell or anything. I don't even remember what I said, honestly. And I couldn't go back to the review to find it. So anyway, that is that. Okay, so now on my Fab Fit Fun order that I showed y'all about the mystery bundle and the there was a product in there that was oily and it broke in there, and it wasn't really broken, so I'm not sure what happened, but it was when I opened the package of the essential oil, it was all leaked out of there, but it was a roller ball, so I don't know how it happened. But Fab Fit Fun, instead of sending me a new mystery bundle, I'm not sure why they're doing this, they're giving me $29 credit, which is the price of the mystery bundle. So when I was looking, they have a sales going on all the time. I'm looking at things. They have raised their price now for shipping. Used to be if you spent $25 with Fab Fit Fun, you got free shipping, and that's not true anymore. One time when I went in and had a couple things in my cart, they said I needed to add so much more to make it to $49. They don't tell you exactly, but it was gonna make it to $49. And then I took something out and looked around and put something back in. And then it said that I had to, the difference was that was to $50. So I'm not sure if it's $49 or $50, but instead of $25, you now have to have more, you have to buy more from them. You can't just buy a mystery bundle and get the free shipping. You're gonna have to buy something else to go with it, or 2 mystery bundles or something like that. So they did replace the mask set. Oh, I had that, I have it right here to show you. I guess I don't, let's see. I put it in here because Smudge would chew on that. I did look inside, and what was missing, this is that wonderful set. This is $16.99, and there are 2 shea butter socks, 2 shea butter gloves. This was missing from the last batch, the lips. There's 4 lip masks. So they let me keep the other set. So that's really nice. The eye masks, I love these eye masks. They're really nice. There's 4 of those, and there's 3 of these face masks. And they're really nice. And I did one of these a couple of Mondays ago. So if you want to see what it looks like. This is the SF Glow brand. And I just really like this set. I think it's well worth the money. And I wanted to show you because a couple of people asked me about the pillow. Okay, you know, the unhide pillow. The unhide blanket was like the phenom of Fab Fit Fun when it first came out a year or 2 ago. They offered it and everybody went and got it. I've got fur in my face because Smudge was just up here. I didn't get it because I have so many blankets, and then I won one. So I do have one. It's in my closet though. It's still wrapped up. I never have used it. But when it came to the pillow, this time around, we got to choose if we wanted to a pillow. I picked it, and I did show it to you when I opened it. It was sealed, you know, like it was smushed really good to get the air out and everything. So they had it packaged very nicely. I got the beige. They had names like Bear and Fox or something. The creamy bear or the silver fox. The other one is a gray. And you know, this might look to you like it's a nice size pillow, and I just want you to know how tiny this is. I don't know that I can really show you. This is, when I took a tape measure and measured along here, well, because of the hump and everything, it's about 18 inches this way. And then this way, again, from over the hump, it's 9.5 inches. So it is super duper soft. It's like a stuffed animal. The boys have decided it's a new cat in our house, a cat that complies, a cat that they don't have to fight with. They are in love with this thing. But that's what it's like. It's like a baby doll, or it's like a stuffed animal. It's super, super soft. It's fantastic. But if you want this, if you think, oh, I should have got that from my lumbar, no. This is not going to give you any support. So I just wanted to show you that. It just, you know, $55. Go to the Unhide website. This is priced at $55. If somebody has that much money to blow, no, I would pay $10 for this at TJ Maxx is what I would pay. And I would want to pay $8 for it. Just telling you. Just want you to know that about the Unhide pillow. That is my personal opinion, okay? All right. So that is pretty much what I have for this week besides the Christmas treasure hunt. I did not get I put a community post the other day. No, I did not get a lot of questions. People are acting like they know what I'm talking about, but I do have people sending me private messages about how, what was this, what was that? Okay, so I do have some things to tell you. All the items in the treasure hunt are in the Advent calendar videos, my Advent calendar videos. There's 25 by the time we're done. Right now, today is 9, so today is December 9th, so there are 9 videos so far. There will be 25 when we're done. Not every video has something in it, just here and there. That's why you have to watch. That's part of the treasure hunt. So by Christmas Day, there will be 25 videos, like I said, and but there won't be 25 items necessarily. In the Advent calendars videos, there won't be. All you have to know is the day. Say, like, for example, day 9 is today, day 9, and if I showed this, now this is not it, but you would say, eye mask, day 9. That's what I need you to write down, the day and what it was. And if you get those right, if you get those correct, you will be put in the drawing to win. And if you want the bonus items will be in other videos. So you have to watch other videos, and I'm not telling you what they are. You just watch a video, and if something pops up, if this pops up and I say this is, a bonus, or I may not use that word, who knows what I'll say. This is for the Christmas treasure hunt. Then you write down, lip mask. You don't have to tell me the day that that's from. So you're going to have a list of the days and what's in them. You don't have to tell me if there's nothing in it. If, say, for example, day 1, there's nothing in it, then you don't have to write day 1. You don't have to tell me about it. But if you want the bonuses, you have to list the bonuses. If you only want one bonus, just tell me one bonus. I don't know how many bonuses there are going to be. I don't have that figured out yet. I'll know December 25th. So somebody did ask me, actually more than one person asked me, if you turn in your list to me in a timely fashion, which is noon Central Time, December 25th, through midnight, Wednesday, December 28th. If I get that from you, will I be able to tell you if you're correct? And I will. I'll tell you if you've made mistakes. I won't necessarily tell you. It'll depend what you say to me, okay? It'll depend what it is. If you say mask, and if you say lip mask and I showed you an eye mask, I'm not going to hold that against you. Do you know what I mean? I'm not going to be that picky. Just if you have the right idea is what I like to see. And if you get all of the bonus items, wouldn't that be nice for you? Because if you mention all the bonus items, you get to win all of the bonus items if your name is picked out of the bucket, okay? So that is how it's working. I did write some notes here, which I just didn't follow because, hey, Smudge, you can come back up, but then I get fur in my mouth. Let's see. Okay, another thing is, please do not discuss the items in your comments on the videos, whether it's the advent calendar videos or other videos. If I'm showing you, for example, my Boxycharm, and I show you a lip mask, for example, and I say this is for the Christmas treasure hunt, or this is for the treasure hunt, or this is for the bonus or whatever, don't say, oh, I love that lip mask, it's my favorite, because then everybody knows what the bonus is, and then you don't have a secret about it. If you're watching the videos, then you're gonna see them. In my opinion, you'd want to keep that to yourself so that you win. Does that make sense? Okay. So the bonus items, like I said, they don't, you don't have to know them. They're just bonuses if you'd like to win them. So as I love all of y'all, I really do. I know all of y'all. So when you send me the email, I'm not going to be mean to you. I'm not going to be hateful. I'm going to try to help you along. Of course I will. Of course I will. So, well, come on up, Smudge. So, give me 1 second. Smudge needed me for a minute there. Anyway, so if you are interested in the Christmas treasure hunt, then, like I said, just watch the videos, write down what you see, write down what I tell you, and have it be pretty close to what I tell you it is and the day that it's on. And then the bonus items are in other videos. And this will only happen from December 1st to December 25th. I won't show anything after December 25th. Now, I do have another calendar that I'm going to do from December 26th to January 6th, the 12 days of Christmas. If you look up in history, the 12 days of Christmas, there's different thoughts on it. Some people say it's the 25th to January 5th, but I was always taught it was the day after Christmas, January 26th, Boxing Day in Europe, and that it ends on January 6th, which is the Epiphany, which is when the three kings get to baby Jesus. So that's what I'm doing. And if this goes well and people really like it, which I think you all have been liking it, if people don't give up on me, then we're going to do this again on the 12 days of Christmas calendar, which is a Macy's calendar that I received from CC Strauss, High Life, and Laura the Bargain Hunter. They were very, very wonderful and sent me both of the wonderful Macy's calendars for my birthday. So I'm just so blessed and happy that they did that. I was just so stressed about that. Look fantastic. And, so it just really, I feel very blessed. So I want to share with y'all. Okay. And I think that's about it. Again, if you have any questions at all, ask me over the weekend. If I see the questions, I'll answer on Mask Monday. And the same, I'll answer questions if you have any Mask Mondays and Friday Night Gabs, okay? So, and then also, this video right now is not live. Next week, December 16th, which is Friday, December 16th, I'm going to go live. So that is 7 o'clock Central Time. On the 17th, the day after, is my birthday. And it's so I'm gonna go live, and just because of that, and we'll see what goes on. It's also Charmaine's staycation. It's also her birthday. So we may be trying to cook something up for y'all. Anyway, so that is my Friday Night Gab, y'all. And here is, see, Smudges, he's so needy sometimes. So anyway, here he is, my love. And then anyway, y'all, thanks for stopping by. And like I said, don't worry if you didn't get this pillow. It's no big deal. It's fabulous. It feels fabulous. It's great if you need a baby to hold. I've been wanting a baby so bad. I've been wanting a kitten so bad, but I have tried to have other kittens with these two boys, and they can't handle it. It's hard to introduce, even if it's a kitten. If I would try a female next, I thought, it's a long story, but I've had a couple boy cats that I've introduced into the family before and after Honeybee, and it just didn't work out. And it just so happens it's because they were boys that came up at the time. I think that with boys, a girl works best. But Honeybee being older, she took over. Of course, you know, female rules the roost. But the boys have to be in charge. They think they have to be in charge, you know, just like in real life, y'all. So that's the way it is in the cat world. All right, thank y'all for stopping by. Count your blessings, and I'll see you soon. Have a fabulous weekend. Enjoy. I hope y'all are enjoying the holiday season. And I know a lot of people are sick, so let's keep our prayers for everybody, okay? And love y'all. Take care. Have a good night, and count your blessings.